Hi guys, Car Spar 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. This is our second and final unboxing video of the day. And really not, we got something very special over here. And for us today. For the first time ever in the history of my entire channel, we are going to be unboxing a Matchbox Super Chase. And this is my very first one. My entire collection. I do have another one coming soon to my house. Once that arrives, I will be doing a unboxing video on that one too. In the meantime, we're going to be unboxing this one and get a closer look at this Super Chase over here. Now, the specs. This one has a horsepower. I think these things had an i6 engine. I'm not very sure exact, on that one. But it does it's time 6.7 seconds, and it has to be 148 miles per hour. It's rear-wheel drive. Actually, it's all-wheel drive because all of the regular versions, especially the super brakes, they are all-wheel drive. Then there are 4MAX, the very affordable versions. However, the shooting brake aids are not sold in the States. They're sold in Europe. Mainly European spec vehicles. It does have 5 seats, but it has more room than the regular CLAs and that we get here in the States. I see those quite a lot. And today we will be unboxing this one, and finally we get a closer look at this Super Chase. So, everyone, let's take a look at this one. So, here we go. Alright, the Super Chase is now out there. Now we'll take a look at this one. Start with the front. Alright, now the detail to the front side. Beautiful. With the headlights. A turn signals as well. The Mercedes logo, the grill, of course. And I had to add wing mirrors on this one. And here's the rear of the shooting brake. With the tail lights, turn signals, reverse lights, Mercedes logo, and all right, license plate itself is an SC. That stands for Super Chase. And yeah, it does have dual exhausts. For the A and G version, they both had dual quads on them. Now the rest, as you see here, it had traditional Matchbox colors. Yellow, red, and black all over. Oh yeah, there's a symbol on this one. Yeah, you can see the inside of it. Now, when it's different than the regular mainline version, it's because of the wheels itself. They're totally different. Even the tires are totally different. They're rubber, just like the Super Chases I do have. It's a beautiful car. And I can't wait to get my Ford Model B edition. When that arrives, there will be a video on that one too. Well, guys, that is it for this one. I got a racing video coming up with this one, along with 2 other cars that I just got today. So there will be a drag racing video coming up for all 3. Well, I'll see you all in my next video. See you later.